Your smallest patients can be your most vulnerable, which is why it's essential you regularly test the performance and safety of your facility's neonatal incubators and radiant warmers. Fluke Biomedical would like to introduce you to the INCU2 Infant Incubator and Radiant Warmer Analyzer. The INCU2 is the only all-in-one portable and easy-to-use analyzer that complies with IEC 60601-2-19, 2-20, and 2-21 standards. You'll quickly notice its size, just 3 pounds, including the sensors for testing incubators. The pucks for testing radiant warmers come in their own case and weigh less than 9 pounds to comply with standards. Nevertheless, the INCU2 is the most compact, portable, and easy-to-carry analyzer of its kind on the market today. The INCU2 can simultaneously measure relative humidity, airflow, sound, and temperature at 6 points, using 5 independently movable sensors and 1 K-type thermocouple for skin temperature. The INCU2's color-coded temperature probes match the respective ports. Sound, airflow, and humidity probes plug in the back. The placement pad helps ensure the accurate placement of the probes for more accurate measurements. You'll appreciate its large LCD screen and a user interface that's intuitive with built-in standard and customizable test templates that maximize your testing efficiency. The INCU2 has onboard automation and comes with a mini Answer software plugin. To start, place the INCU2 in the incubator or radiant warmer you're testing. In this scenario, we're going to test an incubator. Remove and set up the temperature tripods and sensors. Position them in the middle of each quadrant of the mattress. When you first turn on the INCU2, it will do a self-check. When it's ready to test, the main menu will appear. Select a test environment. Choose a general test or view saved tests. For example, if you're going to run an incubator test, highlight Incubator from the test environment option using the navigational arrow keys and then press Select. You can also choose the General Testing option, which allows the user to log data without testing to a specific standard. But in this example, we're going to test to a standard. Let's choose the IEC standard we want to test against. Follow the on-screen directions, then press Test. The INCU2 displays test results in real time. At the end of a test, either pass or fail indicators will be displayed. The Setup button allows you to change your measurement units, view the details of the device, and select your sampling rate. The Back button allows you to go back to the previous screen. Along with using the standard tests, you can create your own testing groups or unique testing procedures, which can further increase efficiency and tailor testing to your facility's protocols. After running a test, be sure to save the results. The results will be saved to the device and its onboard memory. It can then be uploaded to your computer wirelessly or by using a USB cable. Ask your sales representative for more information about wireless capability in your country. To test radiant warmers, simply replace the temperature probes with the radiant pucks. Position them around the warmer according to the standard. Select the appropriate test and testing environment. We've designed the INCU2 to not only be highly portable and easy to use, but give our customers a best-in-class, all-in-one solution. The INCU2 is compliant with all global IEC standards for radiant warmers, incubators, and transport incubators. Learn more about the INCU2 by visiting flukebiomedical.com.